wonder what sets published authors apart? Well, in this video, I'm going to be sharing 7 game-changing secrets that might just be the missing piece in your authorship journey. Use writing tools. So as a published author, we understand the benefits of using writing tools on our writing journey. So when I talk about writing tools, things such as software and apps, notebooks and journals, pens and paper, markers, whatever it is that you need to assist you in making the writing process a little easier. Now, I have 2 playlists that goes into more detail about the best software as well as the best writing apps, and I will make sure to link them in the description box below. Set clear goals. So as a published author, it's really important to me that I set clear goals prior to even starting my writing project. This is a clear way for me to start to have a plan for my book. So some of the goals that I may set may be something simple, like this is the date that I want to have my book written by, or it may be something that I need to learn. So some aspect of the writing that I want to improve on, I'll have a goal to learn that as well. And it may be something monetary, like this is the number of books that I want to sell, or this is the amount of money that I want to make. And that's what published authors do that first-time authors may not be as consistent with. Edits and revisions. So it's important that you understand that your manuscript will go through numerous revisions during the writing process, and that is normal. So you may give it first to a person such as myself, a developmental editor, and then you may give it later to someone such as a copy editor for spelling, grammar, and punctuation. Even after you publish, you may have to do a revision of what you've already put out, and that happens for numerous reasons. Maybe it's the fact that you just have improved on your writing and you have an opportunity to make that writing better. Build a writing routine. So it's likely that you already have a busy schedule and now you're trying to incorporate writing into this busy routine. My recommendation is that you be as realistic as possible. So if that means that you only have 20 minutes a day to work on your manuscript, then that's fine. And as you start to get more free time, you can build upon that time and build a stronger writing routine. But the reason why you want to have a writing routine is because it improves so many aspects of your writing. It helps you to get more confident, it helps to keep you motivated, it helps you with consistency, and it builds momentum. So that momentum is going to help to build your creativity, and of course that's going to be beneficial for you. Seek feedback. So as a first-time author, it's important that you seek feedback during the writing process. So this is going to come from a variety of people. Those people will include your beta readers, your editors, and your writing coach. So all of these people collectively can give you feedback on different aspects of your book so that it can be the best possible version of itself when you get ready to publish. Analyze successful books. So as published authors, we understand the importance of supporting the writing community, but also learning from their successes. So you can look at different aspects of the book to see what parts of it is helping it to be a success. So is it the title? Is it the cover? Is it the book description? Or is it the fact that so many people are leaving 5-star reviews and encouraging other people to purchase? Researching other successful books within the industry helps us as writers to also fine-tune our writing experience. Balance writing and marketing. So as a first-time author, it's likely that you're still very early in the process and you're still just solely writing. However, there will come a time when you need to balance both the writing and the marketing. And it's important that you find that balance, because if you don't find that balance very early on, it can become very overwhelming. And before you go, make sure you check out my last video where I shared the top 10 tips for aspiring writers writing a book for the first time.